My friend Blackie here is a sweetie pie, but she tends to leave black fur all over the rug. In this case, I even vacuumed the rug, but you still can't get up all the fur because it gets stuck down in the fibers. So I found one way to get up the fibers is with a squeegee. This is just a common window squeegee that I attached to an old mop handle. And it has a sponge on one side, but on the other side has a really firm, rigid rubber squeegee. And I found this, if you rake that across the carpet, excuse me there, Blackie. You can see after just a few strokes, look at that. Little pieces of Blackie coming up here. There you go. What you can do is, and it goes pretty quickly. You can get squeegees wider than this. This was only 8 inches wide. You can get a wider one if you have a larger room. And you can see it just pulls the fur right out of the deep fibers of the carpet. And once they're pulled up, once you get them all raked up like that, you just lift them up and toss them out, or maybe then come back with a vacuum and get the rest.